Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this tutorial, I will show you how to merge videos on your Android phone using easy free apps, perfect for combining clips into one clean video. Whether you are editing a vlog, making a school project, or just putting two clips together, we will walk through the steps. Step 1. Confirm gallery videos to edit. Step 2. Use CapCut for more editing options. Step 3. Export your merged video. Let us jump right in. Step 1. Confirm gallery videos to edit. Open your gallery app. Go to your videos folder. Locate and check the two clips you want to merge. This step is only to confirm that your files are complete and ready before importing them into CapCut. No editing is done here. You are simply making sure the two videos are available. Step number 2. Use CapCut for editing and merging. Open the CapCut app. Tap New Project. Select the two videos you confirm in your gallery. CapCut will place the clips on the timeline in order. Here, you can trim unwanted parts, add transitions, add music or sound effects, add text, overlays, and filters, adjust speed or aspect ratio. Once Step number 3. Export and save your merged video. Once you are satisfied with the final edit, tap Export at the top right. CapCut will process and save the merged video to your gallery. Your final video is now ready to share. Upload to class requirements. And that's it. Now you know how to merge videos on your Android phone using CapCut. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown are safe and publicly available features of Android and its apps. Results may vary depending on your device model and software version. Always proceed carefully and make changes at your own discretion. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.